Hello YouTube, it's Jeanne Too Much here today to do a dun 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 snack crate. And I have my brother Papa with me and my son Poppy. So our snack crate is from South Africa. Uh-oh, I dropped this little card thing. It's a sticker that says snack crate. So this is my first snack crate, so I am very, very excited. So I'm going to read a couple of fun facts, and then we're going to get right into it. So this box is from South Africa. The capitals are Cape Town, Pretoria, Bloemfontein. Sorry, South Africa, for messing this up. The total is 471,445 square miles. Oh, the population is 57,725,600. Official languages are Zulu, Xhosa, Osa. Oh, I think that's the when they click their tongues. Afrikaans, English, North Sotho, Tswana, Southern Sotho, Songa, Swaza, Venda, South Ndebele. Some fun facts. South African fish migration is so huge it can be seen from space. It has been estimated that there are around 3,000 shipwrecks off the coast of South Africa. Almost half of the gold that has ever been mined has been found in South Africa. There is a tree over 6,000 years old, and it houses a bar that can sit 15 people. The first human heart transplant was performed in a Cape Town hospital in 1967. So this is a little pamphlet. So we're going to get into the snacks, guys. So I got a mini box. And these shows you which treats we got in. I am like super excited right now. Hopefully everything is delicious, and then also shows you what premium boxes come with. Uh-oh. Excuse you. And so here's what the box looks like. And we're gonna get it open. You okay? I think he's a little excited, guys. He's more excited than we are. Alright. So it has like some little cushioning in here. But this is exactly what it looks like when you open it up. This is ours. And we're gonna start off. Oh my god, my mouth was watering. Okay, so these are the Lay's Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar. These chips feature tangy onion flavored paired with zesty salt and vinegar. Sounds delicious. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, they smell good.
They smell like vinegar.
Yeah, they smell like salt and vinegar chips with like a little something. Alright. Go on.
It tastes like barbecue.
Yeah, it tastes like a barbecue vinegar. My son's like, I'll take the whole bag. Yeah, these are good. Those are good. Oh my god. I need to figure out how to order those. Alright. So I guess we'll do all the cracker stuff. Also, we have mini cheddars, fruit chutney flavored. So these are Baker's mini cheddars, bite size. You haven't tasted any of them stuff. They're not from the United States. They're from South Africa. Bite size crunchy biscuits infused with zesty flavor. We included either original cheese or chutney flavor. We got both. So which one you want to try first?
Cheese.
Okay, cheese flavor. Those Lay's are like bomb, you guys. Those Lay's are seriously everything. Okay. It smells a little like artificial cheesy. Here, you can hold it. Alright. Those are good. They're like Ritz.
Yeah. Here.
Like a cheesy Ritz. They have like, I don't know what kind of off-brand. They have like some off-brand that tastes like that. And these are the fruit chutney, which I don't know how I feel about fruit chutney flavor, but okay. Hurry up and eat that one so you can try the next one. Alright. So.
There you go.
I mean, I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
It tastes like...
I wouldn't buy them. I'd buy the cheese ones.
It's kind of like
we have
onions, the aftertaste.
We have, yeah. I don't really like the aftertaste. We have some sort of something that tastes like that already out here. I don't know what it is. But anyway, moving on. Okay. So next, we're going to try these. These are original Champion Toffee candies.
Now,
Chewy toffee candy featuring a flavor similar to dark molasses. Perfect for an after-dinner treat.
Now,
maybe we should save these ones for last.
Now, guys, I really don't like toffee that much, so this might not be a treat for me, but you guys could, like, order a snack crate, and you might like it, but let's try it.
Alright. So this is what it looks like out of the... Okay. I wasn't expecting...
Tastes like coffee instead of toffee.
Not so much a fan on this one.
Alright for me.
First of all, it's really chewy.
It's sticking to my teeth. I can't move my jaw anymore.
Yeah. No.
I like them.
It tastes like... Oh my god. Sorry, guys. It tastes like old plastic. Old, nasty plastic.
Well, geez.
That does not taste like how toffee tastes at all to me. Alright. Moving forward.
I can't.
Okay, so which one do you think we should try next? Alright, we got 3 more.
Maybe the Tex.
Okay.
This
is my shit. Okay, relax. So this is from Nestle. This is called the Nestle Tex Bar.
He ate it with the...
Okay. Since 1956, South Africans have loved this combination of milk chocolate filled wafers, layers, and an aerated chocolate center. Aerated, excuse me. So basically, it's basically supposed to be like a light, I guess a light chocolate bar. Probably like a Kit Kat. Rich, creamy Nestle milk chocolate with Oreo center and filled biscuit wafers. Yeah. Alright. This is like pretty cool though. Alright.
The other stuff's still not out.
Yeah. That wasn't for me. But you know. Oh, it has 2. Oh, it's already broken.
It might be Reese's thing.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, Reese's bar.
No, it's not. It's
That's delicious.
Yeah, it's like a Kit Kat. It's like
I might need another piece of that.
It's like an overstuffed Kit Kat. Oh.
Double layered.
Yeah. Double layer. Oh, sorry, we didn't even show you guys what it looked like. So, yeah, double layer. It was like chocolate wafer, thin line chocolate wafer, thick chocolate wafer, thin line wafer. It's good. Alright, almost done. 2 more things, guys. I think I want to save that one for last. Alright. So this is the next one up. This is Bournville Classic Dark Chocolate. And this is by Cadbury. Which they have really delicious stuff usually. Alright, so this is on the second page. Bournville Classics, the epitome of rich dark chocolate. This bar is a favorite throughout South Africa. Alright. So, let's get ready to try this. So this is dark chocolate. Rich dark chocolate, guys.
I still don't like dark chocolate. But I'll taste it.
There's one for you. And this is what the bar looks like. It's just like a regular, you know, chocolate bar.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. It tastes good.
It has like a, it's very strong. It has a little bit of an aftertaste. But it's super rich. Super rich. So, thumbs up for me. Last but not least, 5-star Cadbury milk chocolate plus caramel plus soft chocolatey center plus crunchy biscuits. Alright, let's read this. Cadbury 5-star chocolate bar. Classic Cadbury milk chocolate wraps around a filling of caramel and cookie bits in this highly rated bar. I'm really excited about this one.
Like a Snicker bar, or...
This is what the packaging looks like. And we're gonna just get into this. We're just gonna get right into this. Alright. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Alright.
Superior deliciousness.
Okay. So, it's gooey and crunchy and just like no words. No words. This is by far, I think, the best thing out of the whole box. Alright, so hurry back. Let's rate this stuff. Alright, we're going to do a quick rating for you guys. That's it. We reached the end of the box. They gave us 2 extra of these Toffees, but I'm not interested in them. Okay, so let's do this rating. And okay, so 1 out of 10, what do you think?
10.
10, definitely. 1 out of 10.
Give me some. What are you doing?
1 out of 10.
Maybe a 7.
Okay, yeah, I think this is probably a 7. Not the best, not the worst. What about the chutney ones? Fruit chutney.
5.
I give those like a 2. Those were not my absolute faves. What about the dark chocolate?
10.
Okay, I give this a solid 7. Solid 7. Maybe an 8. Okay. What about the 5-star? 10. 10. I think this is
10.
a 10. That was by far like the best one. And the Tex,
10.
Yeah, that pretty much was a 10. And the Toffee, Cadbury, not Cadbury,
I'll give it a 1.
The original champion. Yeah, I give it a 1 too. That wasn't that great. But all right, we are done. We hope you guys like. Make sure you guys subscribe to my page. I also have a family page, so I'll be posting another snack crate on that page, so you guys can follow that page as well. But thank you guys. Go check out Snack Crate. They have super delicious snacks. You never know what you're gonna get. And yeah, so it's always pretty fun. And I think they're only like 25 a box a month. And you can even include a drink in some. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.